Good day, everyone. My name is Olabode Obadua. I'm undergoing a course under MMM to be a guardian. Going to 2 weeks now. I've been attending lecture, meeting people, but the training has been fantastic. Despite the tasks, they are very tedious. Meeting people, brainstorming, we are able to solve these difficult tasks. And going through this class has really opened my eyes to a lot of opportunities which I've never dreamed of, which I've never thought of in life. Assuming I'm not opportune to come across MMM, I wouldn't have been able to know this thing for now. But by this training, my eyes were open to a lot of opportunity around me. And it also gives me assurance that there is no any difficult task. The moment you have the mind of doing it, definitely you will get it done. It shows that I can. If I can, you too, you can. During the course of training, I've gained a lot of things, and I've met with people that are of the same mindset. And with this training, I want to appreciate our mentor, Miss Mary. She has been wonderful, patient, tolerant, accommodating for taking us to this class. And my prayer is that God will continue to strengthen her. And to MMM has been wonderful. Through this platform, a lot of life has been transformed for good, for better. And with what I've learned in MMM, I will put it in practice to be able to stand as a good ambassadors of MMM, to tell people and to educate them of what I've learned. I want to say big thanks to MMM, big thanks to our mentor. Long live Nigeria, long live MMM. Thank you very much.